In sheet metal fabrication, punching is one of the key processes for creating hole. Slots and form features with high efficiency. This video showcases STARWAY manufacturing punching process using HEAVY pressing machine. Before production begins, the operator positions the sheet metal part carefully and aligns it with the punching die. Accurate positioning is essential to ensure that every hole location matches the required design. Once the material is secured, the press machine applies high force to it. Die to create clean and repeatable punch head features. Compared with manual drilling, punching can improve production efficiency, reduce cycle time, and maintain better consistency across batch production. For industrial sheet metal components, hole accuracy is critical. Even a small deviation may affect assembly, installation, or final product performance. That is why drilling setup, material positioning, and process control are important during punching operations. After each punching cycle, the operator checks the part condition and prepares the next component for processing. This workflow supports stable production flow, repeated parts and batch manufacturing projects. STARWAY manufacturing. Punching is part of our integrated sheet metal fabrication capability. From laser cutting and CNC bending to punching, welding, surface finishing, assembly, and packaging, every process is connected through controlled manufacturing workflows. For OEM customers' production consistency matters across every batch. Every hole, every part, every process. Precision build, process control.